In the Grand Kingdom of Persia, during the reign of King Darius, there lived a man named Daniel. Known for his wisdom, honesty, and unwavering faith, Daniel rose to a position of great importance in the king's court. The king was so impressed by Daniel's abilities that he considered placing him over the entire kingdom. But not everyone was happy about Daniel's success. A group of jealous officials sought to bring him down. They knew Daniel was faithful to his God, so they devised a cunning plan. "O King Darius, why not issue a decree that no one may pray to any god or human except you for 30 days? If anyone disobeys, they will be thrown into the lion's den." Daniel knew about the decree, but he refused to stop praying to his God. 3 times a day, just as he had always done, Daniel prayed with unwavering faith. The officials wasted no time. They went to the king and reported Daniel's actions. King Darius was heartbroken. He admired Daniel and tried to find a way to save him. But the laws of Persia could not be changed. Reluctantly, he ordered Daniel to be thrown into the lion's den. Before Daniel was cast into the den, the king said, "May your God, whom you serve continually, rescue you." At the first light of dawn, the king hurried to the den. With a trembling voice, he called out, "Daniel, servant of the living God, has your God been able to rescue you?" "O king, live forever. My God sent his angel, and he shut the mouths of the lions. They have not hurt me, because I was found innocent in his sight." Daniel was safe without a single scratch because he had trusted in his God. Justice was swift. The conspirators who had plotted against Daniel were thrown into the den, where the lions overpowered them. The God of Daniel is the living God. He rescues and saves. He performs signs and wonders in the heavens and on the earth. And so, Daniel prospered during the reign of King Darius and the reign of Cyrus the Persian. His story reminds us of the power of faith and the protection of a faithful God. Thank you for watching Bible Quest Chronicles. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories of faith. Let us know in the comments, what lessons do you take from Daniel's incredible faith?